Okay, last video before the February break, before your test, etc., etc. I don't know if you're crying or laughing or celebrating, rejoicing maybe. Any Monty Python fans out there? Hands in the gallery. Oh, I see one, two, three, a couple people. And there was much rejoicing. Yay! Famous line from Monty Python. Anyway, um, we've got a situation here where we're given sides and an angle. I went ahead and labeled them 60 degrees. C is 14, A is 10. We're looking for B. Okay. We're not given a side situation or a side angle side, so I'm not sure the law of cosines will help. Law of sines, which is usually easier to use, it might behoove us to use law of sines here. But let's see what we get. If we use law of sines, we get sine of 60 over 14, and then we got to use 10, so sine of angle A over 10. So that way we're going to find angle A. Which I did. I went ahead and found angle A using law of sines, which is the only thing you can do, really, right? Once you find angle A, you subtract from 180, 60 plus this number, and you get this number. So that gives you angle B. That helps you set up another way, another equation to set up for law of sines. So let's go back. We got two sides and an angle. The angle is not included, so it's not a classic law of cosine situation. See if we can use law of sines because we have a couple of opposite sides and angles. We have a 60-degree angle opposite to 14, and we don't know this angle, but it's opposite 10. That gives us this equation right here. That helps us find A. Inverse sine of this big guy right here, right? All this stuff. And you get 38.213. Keep that in your calculator, right? Because you're keeping that. You're not done. This isn't your final answer. We're trying to find B, not angle A. So 60 plus angle A, subtract from 180, you're going to get this right here. Again, keep that in your calculator, right? Keep that in your calculator. Now we're going to do law of sines again because now I got the opposite angle of my side that I want. So sine of this angle over this equals, let's go ahead and use 60 because we know that's an exact value. Sine of 60 over 14. Okay, so that's this equation right here. Okay, and again, since it was the last thing I calculated, I can just type answer there. But I'm doing the algebra here. So cross multiplying B times sine of 60 equals 14 times sine of the answer. We divide by sine of 60 on both sides. So it's 14 sine of the answer divided by sine of 60. Sorry, it's hard to read here. And then once you calculate that, hit equals, it's about 6. It ends up being 16.00 something, 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 something. So it's just 16.0 to the nearest 10th, right? Okay. That's it. That's the last one. Good luck studying for your test. Go back over old homework problems and quiz problems if you're having trouble.